everybody, welcome back to Royal Appleberry. I am Kenny the Messy Soaper, and if you're new to my channel, hello. I am so fucking happy you found me. I really am. I mean that. Today what we're gonna do is I created, in my opinion, most magical, oh, it smells so good. You guys know I don't really use essential oils, but I had a couple of, like when you buy a lot of stuff, companies will send you freebies, like 1 ounce freebies, you guys know. So I had some, no, the Spearmint, I already had that. Now that's the one that's not an essential oil. No, there's two that's not an essential oil. So this is essential oil blend. Spearmint already had, and Neroli already had. So I had some eucalyptus essential oil and some sweet orange essential oil. So I've blended the 4 together, and let me tell you, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful smell. I don't even know. It just smells so good. I don't even know how I decided to come up with that, but I was just like, I know eucalyptus and spirit. Why do I want to keep saying jasmine? There's no jasmine nowhere around here, but I know eucalyptus and spearmint goes well together. But I just like, what can I do with this sweet orange? I need to use it. I want to use it. And you guys know I'm not touching it with my bare hands, because you know I am allergic to orange. But yeah, so oops, I didn't even blend that up. Yeah, I just wanted to put it together, and then when I just threw that little dash of neroli in there, it just made it so perfect. And why can't I find my oh, there it is. I'm like, I just had the darn thing. Okay, so what I mixed in here, I have some orange mica from the conservatory. I don't believe this conservatory is in business anymore. And I have some apple green mica from the conservatory. If any of you guys know if the conservatory is still in business, let me know, because I looked to see if I could find them. I saw nothing. And they were kind of pricey. I remember them being kind of pricey. This was like a couple of years ago. But yeah, so I took this orange, and I had some neon orange from TKB, and I put it in this, mixed it with the conservatory orange, because a lot of oranges have a tendency to fade over time, and I want this to say vibrant, but I didn't want it neon, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and split that off, and that is about all I want there. And don't pay attention to my little dirty towel. It has turmeric and all kinds of stuff all over it. I just like using Gabe's old t-shirts because they're cotton and they're nice and absorbent. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my apple green in. And I want this to be a nice green. So we'll start with that and see what that does. Close that back up. Give that a good old stick blend. What's on my stick blender is nothing but oil and water. I had it sitting in some water. And I did put coconut milk in this recipe. Yep, that's lovely. Oh yes. That is the exact color I wanted. Perfect. And if I want a little heavy, that's fine, because it has a tendency to fade a little bit as well. So I would like for it to be some shade of this green. Just get all that green mixed in there. And then I'm going to hand stir in my fragrance, just because I don't know how it's going to behave. Alright. So I've got all the rest of this mixed up off camera, and then when we're ready to pour, I'll bring you back. Oh, I'm also using some Botanicals on top. Show you those when I grade top it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. Okie doke. So I have this mixed in, and I'm just still in awe of this beautiful fragrance. Maybe I should start doing more essential oils, but I have to educate myself about them. That's the thing. Because essential oils are not like fragrance oils. They can be very dangerous, and some aren't even meant for human skin or anything. So you just have to be knowledgeable. Oh, what am I doing? Oh Lord, For those of you who are new, you wonder why I'm called the Messy Soaper. Now you see why. Okay, let's try that again. Wow, I didn't even see that. I don't think I mixed in my green mica all that great. Still got a little bit of mixed mica. This green is fantastic. If it'll just stay this green, that'll be great. Alright, so yeah, let's try that again. And then, you know what? Ugh, I can just kick myself in the head. I meant to use my my new double tall skinny mold because they're taller, and I know what I want to put on this soap. I don't think I want it to be very tall, but we'll see. You know, I've worked miracles in these molds before. So now what I'm gonna do is take my orange, clean up this spatula. Oh, I love this green. I have to use that again. I might even use it again today. Take my orange and stir that out. And that's a beautiful orange. It's like a tangerine. I like that. And let's see if we can get it in the mold without pouring it on the table. So I'm just going to pour it on one side. And then I'm going to do okay, I'm trying to get high because I want it to go down. Sorry about the cup being on your face. I want it to go down pretty low. I did okay. Just okay. And honestly, I don't even need this much that's left in this cup, so I'm going to go a little bit more. Let me move just for a second, because I don't have my hand all in you guys' face. Alright, I think I did good. Yep, I think I did alright. So I'm going to give that a little bit of a smack down. Alright, so I'm going to go this way. And then I'm going to get down in there. Yeah, one more stir back this way. Make sure I get on that end. And that will be all. Then I'm going to take my green and go back over the top with just a little bit of green. No, first give that a smack down. Wow, this fragrance smells good. I need to, well, I recorded it, so I'll remember what fragrances I use, but this is fantastic. It really is. Actually, no, what I am going to do is, you can see, I don't even know what side I put this down. Oh well. So this is still pretty loose, and I think it's because of the essential oil, which is okay. And I kind of dug into it just to decide if that if I wanted it thicker or not, and I think I like what it's doing. So that's the reason why I put the orange underneath, because I want to be able to kind of dig down in here and pull that orange up. You know what I mean? So I think it's, yeah, there we go. It's a little far down. So let's do that. And it's okay if a little bit peeks up. Wow, it's like this orange and this green are separating. There we go. There we go. So I'm gonna go over that again, just because some of it, yeah, I think I want to move it a little bit further back like that. and try to get these two to blend. I don't know why they keep separating. It's the same better. I don't know why you guys want to not be like together. Okay. Alright, so that's exactly what I wanted. Just like that. Like a that, like a that. Alright, so now I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do with this side because it is like seriously soupy. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna come back anyway. Be back. Look it out. So I think this is a little bit better. Yeah. And then I'll clean the excess off. This is a really pretty green. And it's so crazy because I had been kind of thinking and wondering what green do I have that would be this color. Had it all along. Something tells me I got too many colorants. I can't remember which ones I have. But there's no such thing. That's just silly talk, guys. Silly! Okay, so we're going to get this side cleaned up and get these botanicals put on. Yep. Then, okay, so what I did was I have some lilies. I have some stasis. And I have some blue mallow flowers. So I'm going to put those on there. I'm going to try to make sure I get enough of the ooh, stop already. Oh, that's really pretty neon. I thought it was going to look good, but I didn't think it was going to look this good. Hi. I want to make sure I get a lot of the orange in there. And why did I choose purple flowers? No real reason. It just felt like it would be right. You know what I mean? So I was going to put some orange salt on here too, but now I don't think so. And I know I'm going to have to try to pat this down because when you cut, a lot of it will fall off. But this is beautiful, man. This is really gorgeous. Really, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I really do. Smells good, looks good. I mean, what more can I ask for? And I lied, so I do think I want the salt because it's always just like I have to throw a pop of white in there somewhere. I think I want bigger salt. I don't even know where my... Wow! How can you lose a whole big gigantic bag of salt? Imagine that. Was this it? Yeah, okay. Never mind. So this is my natural sea salt. And I think just a little bit would be nice, you know? Nothing crazy. But oops, I don't want it falling down in my little swoopy swoops. And I think that's it. Perfect. Alright guys, so I hope you like this because I love it. I mean, I really do like a whole lot. And if you want to see me cut it, just stick around because I'm about to do that right now. So we'll get to the next piece. And I don't even know what my camera was just doing, so if I didn't film the intro, sorry y'all. I thought I did, but I had to stop my camera just to start over to be sure I actually did push the start button. Oh wow, that cut really nice. Very, ooh, cute. Isn't it cute? So hopefully my spoils got down a little bit further because I would like them to, but that's really cute. And it smells like ooh, I can't even explain how great it smells. my packaging. So if you got an order from me, and especially if you got a bigger order, then you're going to notice I got some brand new packaging. And that will be my packaging from this point on. Because I haven't gotten it yet. I'm speaking in the future by the time you guys see this video. Because as you know right now, well, what do you mean right now? As you guys know, like I film all my videos in advance. And the reason why I do that is so instead of you guys coming in my shop and then it's just like, oh, you got to wait 6 weeks for cure time. You have forgotten by that point. So I just try to get my videos out well in advance. We'll make a lot, so by the time you guys see it, that soap's already cured out and you can have it in your little hands whenever you want it, you know what I mean? Alright, so yeah, if you did place a bigger order, I got some new packaging and I do love it. I really do. And like I said, that'll be it from now on. It just took me a while to kind of settle on something, and I'm sure probably in the next 4 or 5 years I'll change it again, you know, when I'm balling and I'm able to get custom packaging. Because honey, let me tell you, custom packaging is not cheap, but we'll work on that. We will work on that. So anyway guys, love, hugs, and kisses. Be awesome, amazing, everything you do. I hope you enjoyed this cutting video, and I hope you like this soap. And this soap again will be available on say the 12th or 13th of September. So, and nope. I was gonna say something, but every time I say it, it's always too late. So never mind. Bye y'all.